Hello, I hope this microphone's working, but here goes. Um, to be honest, I hadn't planned this video. I carried this selfie stick up and I thought, oh, may as well use it while I'm here. So here's the thing. I know some of you will have noticed that I haven't uploaded last week or this week for that matter. And to be honest, I'm taking a bit of a break. Now, a couple of reasons. First one is it's a big time commitment doing this. It's sort of doing one video a week, doing a couple of shorts every day. Involves traveling up to London and doing the research during the week and then the editing when I get home and then editing the shorts because believe me, the AI isn't all it's cracked up to be. So it takes a lot of time, and to be honest, I just felt like I needed a break. Now, what might have helped me feel that way, and God knows I don't want to come across as a whinging git, but basically, I just noticed that over the last couple of months, nothing's happening with the channel. I'm getting the views are dropping, subscribers pretty much, just flattened out. Just nothing's happened. Uh, and there must be a reason for it, and it might just be I need to make better videos. But it could be, the thumbnails I'm doing aren't attracting people. It could be the content I'm making isn't what people want to see. I'm not sure. But if you have any ideas, please chuck them down, below in the comments section. But yeah, so because it wasn't getting, nothing much was happening, and I was already feeling tired, it just seemed like a good time to take a break. So I might have to go and sort of reset and have a think about how to do the videos going forward to see if we can reach more people, because that was the idea. It was trying to help people who could never get to London, trying to show them around, and that's why I did it in a tour format. Sort of stream of consciousness, me talking about the stuff that we pass as we go along. But there are some people, like the main guys are John Rogers and Jules guides, I would say. I'd say they're the top two. And what they do is they will go and film a bit, edit, jump to the next bit so you don't have the walks in between, all the rest of it. And they've been at this, for years, over a decade, the pair of them. But obviously they're very successful. But I think what was making me doubt myself a bit was I was seeing people who had, maybe only done one or two videos and they're getting thousands of views. My last video got 23, and you just start to wonder, am I doing this right? Is something, am I missing something? So, the two things that if you ever study YouTube or watch the videos about how to do a YouTube channel, they say be consistent, every week, just churn them out every week. And the other thing is, don't do a video about a subject that you're going to get bored of after a while because you'll just burn out. Well, I've been consistent, and the thing is, I may have sort of burnt out a little bit due to the amount of stuff I've been doing, but I haven't lost my interest in the subject. Like, I came up today just for me. I'm just wandering about. I'm taking photos. I'm thinking about a book I'm going to put together. God knows when I'll get time, but I'm taking pictures with a view to doing that. And I'm just doing the flaneur thing. I'm literally just wandering about. Some bits I've seen before, other bits I haven't been to for a few years, and the odd little alley that I wasn't even aware of. So I haven't lost my passion for the subject. But like I say, the commitment with the YouTube videos, the fact that you're having to do it week in, week out, if you're not getting anything back, you start to wonder. I suppose that must be the way for comedians, singers doing pubs, all that sort of stuff. Same principle. Anyway. Oh, feel free. Wonder free. I'm just waffling to myself. So yeah, I guess it's the same principle. So I will get back to doing some videos soon. I was thinking next week. Maybe it'll be the week after. I'll see how I feel during the week. But today, as I say, it was just for me. It's a beautiful day. I am up here in the city of London, part up in currently starting at Ball Court. That thing there, that's Simpson's Tavern. That's been open since 1757, and then they hit bad times during COVID, and the landlord gets decided to close it down and kick them out. So there's a sign saying it's going to reopen as some sort of restaurant thing, but It's all about the tradition that's bitten the dust. Anyway, that's the update. Like I say, if you have any thoughts what I can do better or what I can do different, put them down there. I'm just a bit mystified, at the minute. And I just felt like I needed to take a bit of a hiatus and then get back to it, I dare say, in the next week or two. All right, but for the few of you that do watch, and you are few, you are a very select company, thanks for watching, and I'll be in touch. All right, bye.